If you're shopping for a premium kitchen appliance, you've probably seen two impressive options: the Cuisinart Food Processor and the Vitamix Ascent X4 Gourmet SmartPrep kitchen system. At first glance, they both seem capable of chopping, slicing, and processing food, but they're actually designed for different types of users. The Cuisinart is a dedicated food processor built to make meal preparation fast and simple. The Vitamix Ascent X4, on the other hand, is a complete smart kitchen system that combines a professional-grade blender with a large food processor attachment. So which one deserves a place on your countertop? In this comparison, we'll look at design, features, performance, versatility, ease of use, cleaning, value for money, and who each product is best suited for. Let's get started.
Let's begin with the Cuisinart Food Processor. This appliance is built specifically for food preparation. Depending on the model, it offers a large work bowl, an extra-large feed tube that reduces the need to pre-cut ingredients, and multiple blades and discs for chopping, slicing, shredding, mixing, and kneading dough. Whether you're preparing vegetables for a salad, shredding cheese for tacos, chopping onions, making salsa, or kneading pizza dough, the Cuisinart is designed to complete these tasks quickly and consistently. Now let's look at the Vitamix Ascent X4 Gourmet SmartPrep kitchen system. This is much more than a food processor. It includes a high-performance blender capable of crushing ice, blending frozen fruit, making smoothies, hot soups, nut butter, sauces, and frozen desserts. It also comes with a large food processor attachment that allows slicing, shredding, chopping, and dough mixing. The Ascent X4 features multiple preset blending programs, variable speed control, pulse mode, self-detect technology that recognizes compatible containers, and a self-cleaning function that cleans the blender in about 1 minute. In terms of versatility, the Vitamix clearly offers more functionality because it combines two premium appliances into one system.
Performance is where these two products begin to separate. The Cuisinart Food Processor is exceptionally fast at meal preparation. It slices vegetables evenly, shreds cheese with little effort, chops herbs consistently, and mixes dough efficiently. If your daily cooking involves preparing ingredients for recipes, this machine performs extremely well. However, because it is a food processor, it isn't designed to produce silky smoothies or crush ice into snow-like consistency. The Vitamix Ascent X4 excels at blending. Its powerful motor creates exceptionally smooth smoothies, creamy soups, nut butters, frozen drinks, and purees with professional quality results. When equipped with the food processor attachment, it also performs slicing and shredding very well, giving users the convenience of switching between blending and food processing without needing another countertop appliance. If blending is an important part of your cooking routine, the Vitamix has a significant advantage.
The Cuisinart Food Processor offers several impressive advantages. First, it's simple to use. Assembly is straightforward, controls are easy to understand, and switching between blades takes only a few moments. Second, it saves a tremendous amount of preparation time. Tasks that normally require 15 or 20 minutes with a knife can often be completed in just a few minutes. Another major advantage is affordability. Compared with premium kitchen systems, the Cuisinart offers excellent value for home cooks. Now let's talk about the strengths of the Vitamix Ascent X4. Its biggest advantage is versatility. Instead of purchasing a premium blender and a separate food processor, you receive one integrated system capable of handling almost every kitchen task. Its blending performance is among the best available, producing consistently smooth textures with very little effort. The premium construction, smart technology, long warranty, and outstanding durability also make it an excellent long-term investment.
No product is perfect. The Cuisinart Food Processor cannot replace a professional blender. If you frequently prepare smoothies, frozen drinks, almond butter, or creamy soups, you'll likely need another appliance. The Vitamix Ascent X4 has one obvious disadvantage: its price. It's significantly more expensive than a dedicated food processor, making it a considerable investment for many households. It also requires more countertop space because of the larger blender base and accessories. If your primary goal is simply chopping vegetables a few times each week, much of the Vitamix's capability may go unused.
The Cuisinart Food Processor is an excellent choice for home cooks, busy families, meal prep enthusiasts, and anyone who regularly chops vegetables, slices fruit, shreds cheese, or prepares dough. It's especially suitable for buyers who want reliable performance without spending a lot on price. The Vitamix Ascent X4 Gourmet SmartPrep kitchen system is ideal for serious home chefs, smoothie lovers.
Although it costs considerably more, its versatility and professional-level performance make it a worthwhile investment for people who cook frequently. Whichever model you choose, both are excellent kitchen appliances designed to save time and improve your cooking experience. If you'd like to check the latest prices and current deals, you'll find the affiliate links in the description below. If this comparison helped you make a decision, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more in-depth comparisons and reviews of the best kitchen gadgets on Amazon. Thanks for watching.